Good morning, students. Almost all the topics we have cleared in our earlier lectures regarding the local governments. Just we will give a fast look or discuss the importance of local government in our today's lecture. And the meaning of local government is the government at the village and district level involving the day-to-day life problems of ordinary citizens. Or we can say the local government gives a strength to the democratic setup in a country to ensure the participation of local people at the level of village and towns. All of you know India is following democratic pattern or setup of government in that the people's participation is much more important. So and these local bodies are providing people's participation in the government. So these local bodies are strengthening our democratic setup. And now how these type of local governments are important for country as well as for the people. Firstly, local government is near to the common people. These governments are set up in the surrounding of the common man. So common man can think about the close relation with these local bodies. It involves the day-to-day problems of ordinary people at village level and city or town levels. These local bodies functionings are related with the day-to-day activities or problems which are faced by the people or by the common man. We can say these local bodies are solving the problem of that local area, of that specific area. So these are close to the common man. It believes that local knowledge and local interests are essential for the democracy. Means at the rural level, local level, these bodies are providing people's participation in the government, and they can think or they can uh, send their views through their representatives. It is also necessary for people friendly administration. When people think about the administration of these uh, local governments and in these local bodies have the members of their surroundings, so they can feel friendly atmosphere. It is the convenient for the people to approach the local government for solving their problems both quickly and with minimum cost. These local governments, whatever problem they are solving, they don't spend much more money for solving problems. Accountable to the local people. These local governments are accountable to the local peoples of that area. Local governments knows the problems of people because these governments are made by the that area and also consist the members of that area. So these bodies are very well aware regarding the problem of that area. For example, I can give you, if local government of Kerala or a village panchayat of Kerala can solve the problem of that area, and it is not possible to solve the problem of Jammu Kashmir's village problem. Both are different. The resident or the member of these areas can solve these problems effectively. Democracy is about meaningful participation. It is also about accountability. Strong and powerful local governments ensures both active participation, and purposeful accountability. Purposeful accountability. It is at the level of local government that common citizens can be involved in decision making concerning their lives, their needs, and above all their development. It is necessary that in a democracy, tasks which can be performed locally should be left in the hands of the local people and their representatives. Common people are more familiar with their local government than with the government at state or central level. They are more concerned with what local government does or has failed to do. That's why these local bodies strengthen the country's democratic pattern, and this democratic pattern has very much relevance of these local governments. And as you are looking on the screen, our village panchayat is showing, and all the people have seated together and discussing about the local problems of their village. This is the end of the chapter. If you face any problem, you can ask in your live classes. Thank you and have a nice day.